Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter from our looking around book, that is our Ncert book, chapter 8, a treat for mosquitoes. Students, this chapter is in the form of a story and there is a conversation between four friends. They are Rajat, Jaskirat, Nancy and Aarti. Actually, after many days, Rajat came back to school. He was absent in school. He could not attend school as he was suffering from malaria. So when he came back to school, his friends became very happy and asked him so many questions. First, Jaskirat asked that when he was at home, he got a lot of time for playing. Then Rajat replied that when anybody is ill, when anybody suffers from a disease, he become very weak and could not play, unable to play. After that, Rajat had to take a bitter medicine and give a blood test. Then Jaskirat again asked, when you give blood by a syringe, when your blood is drawn from your body by a syringe, then you feel some pain. Rajat replied that I felt the pain like an ant bite, not more than that. But he had to take some medicines. All of you know it, that so many times doctors advised us to do a blood test for identifying the disease. Understood? So children, Rajat has to suffer from that blood test. Got it? Now Nancy, but you get malaria when the mosquito bites you. This thing is told by Nancy to Rajat. Understood? And Rajat replied, yes, mosquitoes cause malaria. Rajat replied it. Then their friends, Aarti asked, in Aarti's home there are so many mosquitoes, but she does not suffer from malaria. Why? Rajat told that not all mosquitoes cause malaria. Only the mosquitoes who carry the germ, the disease causing germs or pathogens, they cause malaria. Got it? Then they are satisfied. All the friends become satisfied with Rajat's answer. Now students, Nancy again asked Rajat that from the place where the mosquito bitten you, from that place blood is drawn from your body. Then Rajat smiled and told, not at all. How, when and where the mosquito bitten him, he could not know it. The doctor or the pathologist just drawn the blood from his body. Okay, not from the proper place where the mosquito has bitten. So students, this is the conversation between these four friends about Rajat's illness. Clear? Students, all of you know that mosquito cause malaria. Not only malaria, mosquito cause different diseases like dengue, chikungunya, malaria and filariasis. Yellow fever also. These diseases are caused by mosquitoes. So students, there are so many things. Here in this page you can see here written, there is a poster. Okay. This is a poster which was clinged in the wall of the school. Rajat and Jaskirat school. So many points are there. Beware of mosquitoes, because they cause different types of diseases. Students, all of you know that malaria is a communicable disease. When somebody suffers from malaria, the mosquito, that is female Anopheles mosquito, carry that germs by biting that person, that sick person, and carry the germs, and when it bite any healthy person, the germ is transferred to that healthy person's body. Thus malaria is caused. Clear? Similarly, students, dengue is caused by a mosquito, that is Aedes mosquito. There are so many diseases, chikungunya, malaria, filariasis, which are caused by different kinds of mosquitoes. Understood? Got it? So, in this poster, some points are there. You have to learn these points and you have to make a poster on it. This is your activity from this chapter. Let me read the poster. The first point is, don't let water collect around your house. Fill up the pits. Students, I told you that we should not let water collect anywhere in our house or in the surrounding. If there is stagnant water around our house, then we should clean them. We should fill the pits, or we should fill the hollow areas, spaces where water is collected. Understood? Because mosquito breed in stagnant water. They lay eggs in stagnant water. Second point is, keep the water pots, coolers, tanks clean. They should be dried every week. Yes, these gadgets have some water collected. We should dry them every week. Otherwise, mosquito can breed there. Third point is, use mosquito nets to protect yourselves. All of you do it regularly. And spray kerosene if water is collected at some places. Because when you spray kerosene oil on the water body, on the stagnant or collected water, then a layer of oil is formed and the mosquito larvae are unable to get the oxygen. Understood? So, they cannot breed. They cannot grow. Clear? So, students, you have to make this poster. This is the activity. You have to make this poster. This much only. You have to draw these 4 pictures and write all the points which can prevent us from causing malaria, dengue, chikungunya, etc. These diseases which are caused by mosquitoes. Okay. Now, students, when anybody is suffering from malaria, he has fever. Okay. That is fever with chills and rigors. Understood? So, this is the symptoms. This is the symptom of malaria. So, we have to go to the doctor, visit to the doctor and follow the advices of the doctor. Today, we are learning about malaria, the diseases caused by mosquitoes. Students, one of these students or friends asked that house flies also cause disease, but they do not bite us. Then how could house flies spread disease? All of you know it. I have already discussed it in food and health chapter. How house flies carry the pathogens or germs and leave them in our food, water, etc. and contaminate them. And when we consume those contaminated food and water, we will suffer from different types of diseases like cholera, jaundice, okay, diarrhea, dysentery, these diseases. Understood? So today we learn up to this. In our next class, we will discuss about anemia. Till then, all of you stay happy. Bye.